Greetings everyone. I took a break from milling the 2x boards to check out this chunk of madrone. I had a big madrone tree that I had to cut down on my property, and it looks like it's really neat wood. So I wanted to set a little chunk on there just to kind of see what it looks like. So let's check it out. Alright, I made some 1-inch slabs just to see what they would look like. Let me grab some water and we'll wet it down and see what it looks like. That's pretty good looking stuff. It's got some pink in there, right in the middle. I wonder if I let it dry a little too long, that it's gotten brown here. Because when I first cut it, it really had the pink right there. Still some interesting stuff. All right, I'm just gonna run 1-inch slabs through the rest of this. I know it's real crooked, but we'll see what we get. sure if it's any more pink on the inside. Let's see. No, looks like it's kind of consistent. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. If anybody's milled up Madrone before, do you mill it when it's wet so you get more of that pink color, and do you preserve it right away? I believe this is called cotton candy wood sometimes. So anyway, I hope you like that. Let's get some more water and we'll throw it right down on one of these slabs. See what you guys think. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little segment on the Madrone log. I'm thinking I might take it home. I've got a scroll saw, and maybe it would make a nice cutting board or something like that. So I'll take those chunks home, see what I could do with them, and maybe that'll be a future video. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.